let's talk a bit about orgasms.
Oh, yeah. Been thinking about this.
Interesting question was posted on Reddit recently. What sound would you choose if you could pick a sound that your body would make after you orgasm?
Easy.
I know,
That's easy.
yeah, of course, for James, it's easy.
Oh, I didn't consider that. Yes, that would be even better than what I was thinking, because I was going to say, when you discover a surprise in The Legend of Zelda. But no, the Taco Bell bong is even better. Yeah.
Legend of Zelda surprise sound.
That's going to be hard to find.
Well, I think the Taco Bell thing was pretty funny.
Yeah.
But Lisa, I want you to really experience an orgasm with me.
Oh, this is it. Yeah. See? Not bad. Oh!
That one's more exciting.
I thought the Death Star laser.
Oh, that's a good one, too.
Yeah.
You're going to have to bear with me here as I try and look up all these sound
No,
effects
it's
on
fine.
the fly.
Here we go.
Primary ignition.
He's getting close.
Yep.
He's really going after it.
He's going to Pound Town.
Uh-oh, he's getting ready.
Yep. There it goes. Yeah.
Wow, they both had a mind-blowing orgasm.
Yeah, see, you guys are thinking the wrong thing.
Really? What are you thinking?
I need it to be quiet.
Quiet?
I need this thing to be quiet. I can't have a Death Star laser going off.
Why? Who are you hiding from?
I'm,
He's making love to a sex doll.
I gotta be quiet.
Why? Your
You
kids
just,
are around?
well,
Like,
you
what?
never know. You don't want to wake anybody up. Like, imagine all of a sudden a Death Star noise happened. Like, you'd know.
Like an X-wing laser would be funny. Like,
Yeah. I to me, it's got to be like the gentle whisper of, I don't know, like a field.
What?
The sound
What are you
of
talking
the
about?
sound of a
Wind?
meadow.
Wind in a meadow?
Yeah. Just a short little.
I don't understand. How can
I
this?
want it to be
This is your.
quiet.
That's not like it's
want it
like
to be
that to me
quiet.
is underwhelming. Oh, Chuck just finished.
Yep, that's it. That's what I want. Be like, oh, someone will be like, I think I heard birds. Yeah, that's all you heard.
It's almost like he wasn't even there.
There's birds in the computer room. Yep.
Those
doesn't
birds are
seem like-
leaving a lot of tissue.
You've really gone to Pound Town.
Well, I'm not going to Pound Town.
Someone
Been there for a
texted in
while.
saying the Tarzan roar
Oh yeah, the
would
classic
be their
sound effect.
orgasm sound.
Yep.
I'm just really bad on the quick typing, but here's
This
the-
guy.
Yeah.
Not the first. This one. This one
I think the first one's
might be better.
yeah.
Yeah.
Play that again.
That is my noise. Oh my God, that is my noise. How did they get that?
That was awesome.
I'm almost.
Look like
Dave, I'm
Tarzan.
almost there. I'm almost there. I don't know what Indian Tarzan that was. Pakistani Tarzan movie.
He hadn't mastered it yet.
No.
I want to know more.
Chuck, watch it. Chuck, what do you?
Look out! The end part where he's like, oh,
I think he watched finale.
yeah. Because I don't know
Look
what.
at that guy. Oh.
What is that
Told ya,
from?
I wouldn't be able to get it up fast. I mean, that's not what I meant.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. The Curb Your Enthusiasm outro.
The outro.
I'm trying to think
Can't
of.
remember.
Oh, like just there's a little tiny bit of music, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It would kind of be mine, sort of like, sorry. It's got a bit of an apology kind of in it. Sorry about that.
That's totally it. I apologize. We're done, but I apologize.
That's so many men.
Probably,
Oh, you got me too excited.
probably a little bit sooner than I was aiming for. Gosh, huh? This is awkward. So, you'll call me?
Just pulling on his underwear.
Yeah, the very beginning of that really
Oh, it does. It's like,
speaks to
sorry.
that part right there is like, oops, I tried.
Oh, my goodness.
My God.
Sorry.
You noticed. Maybe give me a few minutes. Probably not though. So you know I'm probably gonna go to sleep.
It's not your fault. It's mine.
Oh boy.